Hello, kids! Hello, kids! Let's go on an ABC adventure together. Clap your hands and sing with me! ABC, come sing with me. D, E, F, clap 1, 2, 3. G, H, I, we jump up high. J, K, L, we reach the sky. ABC, sing with me. Learning letters happily. Dance around 1, 2, 3. Happy sprouts for you and me. M, N, O, let's march in a row. P, Q, R, we're ready to go. S, T, U, we spin around to V, W, X, Y, Z, hooray for you. ABC, sing with me. Learning letters happily. Dance around 1, 2, 3. Happy sprouts for you and me. Animal friends! A for alligator, chomp, chomp, chomp. B for bunny, hop, hop, hop. C for cat, meow, meow, meow. D for dog, say bow, wow, wow. E for elephant, big and strong. F for frog, we sing along. G for goat, munch, munch, munch. H for hen, let's clap a bunch. I for iguana, crawling slow. J for jellyfish, floating we go. K for kangaroo, jump up high. L for lion, hear his cry. M for monkey, swing in trees. N for nightingale, singing with ease. O for octopus, waving hello. P for penguin, waddle to and fro. Q for quail, quick and small. R for rabbit, hopping tall. S for snake, slither around. T for tiger, big and proud. U for unicorn, magical bright. V for vulture, soaring in flight. W for whale, splashing free. X for x-ray, fish in the sea. Y for yak, so fluffy and fun. Z for zebra, stripes in the sun. Made! Red, orange, yellow and green. Blue and purple letters we've seen. Every letter shines so bright. Learning ABCs feels just right. Now we've sung our ABC. We're so happy, can you see? Letters help us read and play. Let's sing our song another day. Yay! You did it! Now you know your ABCs with all our animal friends. Don't forget to sing with us again at Happy Sprouts World! And please subscribe to the channel